informasi lainnya saudara, banjir dan longsor di 3 provinsi yakni Aceh, Sumatera Barat, dan Sumatera Utara mengakibatkan seratusan orang meninggal dunia.
Jumlah korban meninggal dunia akibat banjir bandang dan longsor yang terjadi di Aceh, Sumatera Utara, dan Sumatera Barat mencapai 72 orang dan puluhan lainnya dilaporkan masih hilang hingga 28 November 2025. Bencana akibat hujan deras yang mengguyur ketiga wilayah itu merusak ribuan rumah dan memaksa ribuan warga mengungsi ke tempat yang lebih aman.
Hello, excuse me, may I join you here?
Oh, sure. Just sit here.
What are you doing? You look really upset. Is there a problem?
I'm reading news about the flood and landslide in Sumatra last week. The news is everywhere, and it's making me angry.
Oh yeah, I heard about it too. The situation is pretty bad, isn't it?
Yeah, honestly, I'm disappointed with how the central government is handling disaster. Their response has been slow.
I understand your feelings, but managing the disaster must be difficult too.
Sorry, I've sound harsh, but that's not a good excuse. While the government is still meeting and discussing, people there are suffering. They need to act quickly to save lives.
I understand your point, and I agree that the initial response could have been faster, but they eventually sent aid and rescue teams, right?
I disagree. The word eventually is enough. People's lives are at stake. Why did it take 3 days to send teams? That's too long.
I understand your concern, and sorry if I sound like I'm defending the government, but apparently there were major logistic problems. Many roads were blocked by landslides, and communication was cut off.
That's exactly the problem. Things like that should have been prepared for. We live in a country that frequently experiences disaster. Preparedness is part of their responsibility. And one more thing that makes me upset. The Minister of Energy and Mineral Resources, Bahlil, seems more focused on managing mining investment than on environmental impact. Deforestation and mining permits can worsen disasters.
On that issue, I agree with you. Preparation and environmental protection are indeed very important. But I think blaming everything so slowly on the central government is also unfair. Local government also have role.
Yes, I admit local government are also responsible, but the central government has better resources and training. They should be leading disaster management.
I agree the central government should lead, but coordination between agencies is complicated. There are procedures that must be followed.
Sorry if I'm being too emotional, but procedures didn't be more important than human. I have a friend who lives in that area. She said it took 2 days for help to arrive.
Oh, I didn't know about that. Sorry. How your friend now?
Thankfully, she's okay, but so many people around here lost their homes, and seeing incidents like this keep repeating is very frustrating.
Not at all. I agree with many of your opinions. I just believe it's important to understand the situation while still demanding change.
You are right. Sorry if I got too carried away emotionally. This is issue very personal to me.
No need to apologize. That actually show you are care, and that's a good thing.
Thank you. You also help me see other perspective.
And you reminded me that behind the system and theory, there are people suffering, are truly suffering. And by the way, I have an idea.
What is it?
Instead of just complaining, how about we try to do something? For example, creating an awareness campaign on campus or writing articles about disaster preparedness.
I totally agree. We could also collaborate with the Student Executive Board or NGO. My friend volunteers at one of them.
Great! We could also discuss about policies that worsen disaster, such as mining, permits, and deforestation.
Yes, policymakers must realize that their decision directly impact people's life.
Agreed. See, even though we had different opinions, we ended up finding a solution together.
True. Thank you for listening to me, Rico.
You're welcome. That's what's friend for. And how about we start planning this project this weekend?
Sounds good. Let's do it.
Okay, now let's finish lunch before the next class start.
Okay.